Hi, this is Arlene. So it's Friday the 15th. It's going to be 2 o'clock. So I just wanted to share that my lock was changed. And I was informed. Two maintenance guys came. So I kind of explained to them what was going on and about the food and stuff like that. I didn't go into detail, but anyways, I did. They did change the locks, and they told me they changed the locks before I came in, but at least now the locks are changed and I can do better documentation. So this is key. So we'll see how it goes with this lock. I know they're going to still break in. Most likely they're coming through the door. I don't think it's a sliding glass door. But you never know. I could be wrong. But I'm banking it's the door. They probably pick it or they can have a lock. Like I said, one of the maintenance guys, they already live up there, so, or whoever's on rotation. So anyways, and I got people on both sides.